We got Brent. You remember him maybe. We found a nice little spot out here. You can kind of see it. We getting set up and we're just walking the road to make sure their van can get down here. They have a pretty high Sprinter van. Let me show you the road here. Ready to do some wheeling?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
Ah, this is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. Gotta spot them on this little section. They're not lifted at all, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, cut it hard.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Hello.
Oh, hello there.
We're camping with our pals, Brent and Alexandra. You may have seen a video with them from a long time ago. Before we even had the Land Cruiser, we went camping on Thanksgiving with them out near Sisters, and we had a full-on Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah, it was like 25 degrees.
It's a bad video, don't go watch it. But we're out on the Oregon Coast Range, and friend of the channel, Vince, sent us these coordinates. So thank you very much, dude. This is a really rad spot. And it's a little sprinkly, but not too bad. It's a Sunday evening. We got a holiday tomorrow, and we're gonna chill. And we'll show you their van in a minute. Coleman! Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hi. Hi, good boy. Are you loving this?
This section right here, my zone. Down there, not so much. Too rocky.
Well, this is a pretty rad spot.
Cooper, get out of the... No swimming.
Cooper's
hey,
trying to go swimming.
Cooper,
Cooper.
no swimming. Get out.
Cooper thinks it's summer.
What did it say?
If it was summer, this would be the literal perfect swimming hole. And we will definitely be back here when it warms up a bit. Nice little fishing hole too, I think. Come catch some trout, cook some trout, hang out, do a little swimming. That sounds like a nice summer Saturday. Too bad it is a winter Sunday. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera. This is a good, deep... Look at all that trash at the bottom of the river, though. That's frustrating. But a nice little diving hole right here.
Alexandria, would you mind diving down there tomorrow and grabbing that trash?
And I have a little dive.
Alexandra's gonna polar plunge, maybe. The no man's zone. Under the bed. He doesn't rip them up, he just likes to sound. I appreciate that part, not doing it. That's it. That he can pull his feet in the boat.
Sometimes when you go once,
people have like Starland or whatever.
Yeah.
But Starland.
This is what you call a Mexican hot mahogany.
All right, we're cooking some burgers tonight. decided to splurge and bought myself a carbon steel pan. So it's kind of like, it's very much like cast iron, except it's lighter and a little bit easier to take care of. So I'm gonna make some burgers in it tonight. I'm defrosting burger meat because when we bought it, it was frozen. I know this is probably not the best way to do it, but I don't really care. Also had to buy a new pot because our last one got rice caked on the bottom of it and it wouldn't come off.
You're welcome. We got burgers by Winston, potatoes and leeks by Brent, and hanging out by Alexandra and Kim. We did nothing, we just sat here. Hi, wet boy. Hey, wethead. We got this book from our friend Sid and Corey for Christmas, so I'm about to make some camp cocktails. This is my first time using the book. So we are going to make this spiked cider. Looks delicious. I forgot rosemary sprigs, but we'll make do.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How'd you sleep?
Good. You?
I slept pretty good. Not warm last night.
There's a bunch of mosquitoes around here.
Yeah. Try whipping your butt out to go pee in the middle of the night. Just like chomp, 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 chomp. That's what it is.
She wants him to be something.
I know. She's like, what do you have, Fred? Look at me. Yep. Okay, good job, bud. Good find.
Wow.
Good find. Oh, don't lose your prize. Did he find a rock? You're like, that was lame. There we go. Good work. Good job, bud. This is my favorite time of year. All the moss.
I've been loving it. But Brent did take out the whole thing and switch everything out, so.
Uh-oh, she got your ball. You can go get it. She wants you to come get it. She wants you to come try and take it. So, this campsite's pretty beautiful. I think I want to rate it. Like a 1 point. I think it's a good 1.7 or 1.8
All right.
out of 2.
Let's go.
Beautiful. Alexandra's about to polar plunge. I applaud her for her bravery and resistance to the cold. I will not be participating. I mean, I will, but just in a coat from the dry land. There she goes!